Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. You will click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about the application of Strava and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.